Day 4. Okay, stood up again. It's starting to remind me of my teenage dating years. Now again, I don't know, normally I'd be like all over these guys, but now I'm like stern. Okay, so I sent them a stern text that said, I'm gonna quote myself here, "Hey, we've been ghosted. Any updates?" Still, I'm really nice. So I don't know, I should be yelling by now, but I'm not. So they said that they would be over at 2:30 p.m. And I asked why we haven't heard from anybody in 2 days. And the PM said, "Oh, I was supposed to call, but I forgot." Oopsie.
I don't want to be adversarial with them. We want to work with them as partners. So we're getting off to a very rocky start.
This is something we're going to talk about later. Don't make mountains out of molehills.
Yeah, there you go.
This was a molehill.
So anyway, they called to say that later that afternoon, they were meeting the inspector here to go over the footer. So they showed up with the inspector. They looked over everything. He wasn't pleased. He was somewhat stern with them about, "I'm going to let this go. I'm going to approve this. Don't let it happen again," type of thing. And he wasn't going to fine them for not having a toilet or plans on site. So we left with everybody was happy, and moving forward, tomorrow, change in plans, the plumber is going to show up and start doing some plumbing. So hopefully that happens.
I think she was already on the schedule for plumbing tomorrow. I think we're just going forward at this point without the framing being done.
So, okay.
All right, see how it goes.